display dito guys. Dito tayo sa car park entrance and exit ng Island City Mall here in Tagbilaran City, here in Bohol. At meron tayong titignan dito yung trade expo ng Sandugo. At magaganda ang guard namin dito. We are proud to be Boholanos. Kasi yan, oh, tingnan mo, ang ganda, oh. Okay. At ang daming display. CDs. Bliss Coffee, Lipton Virgin Coconut Oil, Malunggay, Moringa. Ayan. Dami. Virgin Coconut Oil is a health superfood. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Ganda, di ba? Ayan. See that? Just read that and you will appreciate how valuable are coconut and moringa in the Philippines. Here. Ang daming products dito. May tableya pa. Wow, the Philippine cacao. Our own products, guys. Ang sani. Pineapple marmalade. Wow. Tableya. Lils tableya. Pure cacao. Pure na pure ito. 150 lang, oh. Ang lalapad. Malunggay capsule. Ayan, malunggay. Very nice to prevent all illnesses, all kinds of illnesses. Yeah. First harvest. Ayan, ang dami nilang products. My God. Bliss Coffee, Lipton Virgin Coconut Oil. Ayan. Bliss Coffee. Ayan. Baka ma-check nila online, no? Bliss Coffee. Ah, yes. So, you heard that? You can check them online. Just type the Bliss Coffee. Maybe blisscoffee.com. Yeah. Okay, thank you, ma'am. And then, here is the Tisoy condiment products. Sukang Tisoy. Sold here. Wow, Tisoy. From where is Tisoy? Fleur de Lis. Turmeric tonic wine. Wow, turmeric tonic wine. Ang galing. Yan, turmeric. And then, mangosteen. May mangosteen din. Tagpila kahani. How much, ma'am? 490 lang. Ayan, 490. Tanan, pareha-parehas.
290 ning duha.
290 ning pineapple, 290 ang mango, and black plum. 490 here. The plum, the turmeric, the mangosteen, and guyabano are 490 pesos. But the 250, the small one. 120 the smallest. Yan. Fruit wine. Wow naman. I'm curious. Makatikim nga mamaya. Mubalik lang po. Okay. And then, coconut cider. Wow. Coconut cider na spiced coconut vinegar. Ang galing. Hot sauce meron din sila. Tisoy. And then, you have online, no? Maka-check sila online?
Oo,
Nakaka sila sa online ni? Just try to type the Fleur de Lis online. Baka meron sila. Kasi hindi ko sure. The girl doesn't know yet. So, here is another product. The Lynn's homemade products. Kalimbahin natural products. Ayan, dami nilang products, guys. Sinasabi ko.
Kalimbahin, ma'am. Kalimbahin.
Kalimbahin. Yeah, kalimbahin. All natural. Yeah.
Essential oils, and we also have this
Protect your family. Ay, very good.
from them.
All not, yeah.
Beet free, walang beet po. Walang beet, walang chemical. Walang cancerous na chemical.
Ganda. Kalimbahin.
These are our products.
From,
Check out
made from,
Facebook, Kalimbahin.
made in
Negros Oriental.
Negros. Proud of Negros Oriental. Yeah. Ang gaganda. I told you, a lot of products here from different provinces of the Philippines. Sabunichi. Sabunichi is a sabon. Yeah. They're all made of organics, maybe. Sabunichi.
Boholano Essentials all-in-one bars.
Ito yung kanilang calling card. If you need them, you need these products, guys, just contact this. They have here. They have also in Facebook. Yeah, they have Sabunichi. Okay, yan. Nasabi ko na ha. Ang ganda. Ayan. May contact numbers. At ang gaganda ng mga products nila. Boholano Essential. Boholano talaga siya. Ang galing. Boholano. Ang cute-cute ng mga ano nila. Oh. Parang hindi sabon. Parang ice cream. Parang parang ice cream na ano. Ang ganda. Nice, no? Tagpila pa ng litani nga ni.
Ma'am. 180 na siya. One shampoo. With the box. Ay, is the facial mask.
May facial mask din pala sila. Not just soap, guys. Marami. No? They have a lot. Pwede ko maka-close up ng di kuan. Ayan, basahin niyo na lang. Can you please read na lang ninyo? Ayan, oh. This is the Sabunichi. Here. They have also shampoo. A lot of products they have. Nice. Ooh. Very good. And then, pwede mo ngayo? Pwede mo ngayo? Okay. Maybe this one too. Thank you din. Okay. Okay. And this one is NBF Homemade Food Products, Sigmund Enterprises, Negros Oriental. Negros Oriental din. Dito sa kabila, ganun din. Ang dami nila. Ay, kaway-kaway dyan. Kaway-kaway lang. Bulad. Ano yan? Bulad flakes? Ano saan murag bagong? Okay. You heard her. Ayan. Siya nagsabi na ito galing daw dito sa fish na ito. Yung bulad means dried fish. So they dried it first, then processed as parang bagoong, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ganon. Kaya kakaiba na naman na product. And then we have here the calamansi, ginger, turmeric, juice concentrate. Ang sarap. Wow. Ganda. Is this with honey?
Yes,
Yeah, with honey. 100% natural yan, guys. And do you have calling card? Okay. Ayan siya. Kontakin nyo lang sila. This is their calling card. Kung kailangan nyo ang ganitong products na mga pure and natural, meron sila dito. Passion fruit. They have also calamansi, pineapple, and walang? Okay. Turmeric and ginger. Yeah. Ayan. Other ways to enjoy your lemon C2 calamansi concentrate. Ayan, guys. Pakibasa na lang. At eto. Nagpapatalastas ako free. So, ito na lang bayad ko. Okay.
Nice bulad flakes.
Oo, nice lagi na. Wapa ko ka-tasting nga na. My first time to hear that. Okay, that is very interesting, pero magpatalastas Okay. Here, this one is Business Innovations Gateway Incorporated. And this is
Vegetable juice.
ayan, vegetable fruit.
Vegetable juice. Only one in the country that we have vegetable juice. We have 10 leafy vegetables in one drinking with ginger and turmeric.
Yeah.
And also sweetened by stevia, flavored by mango.
Oh, wow.
It's a very nutritious product.
Wow.
We're offering the wellness package for detox, for flash, and for nourish.
Oh, very well explained.
Yes.
Very well said. Wow. Nice. Kung nga na unta akong gipang duaw dito, di ko maglisod, no? Yeah, I know. But I am very willing to advertise our products. Yeah, our own.
You
Yeah.
can have this, madam.
Oh, I can have this heart. So big heart you have, madam. Thank you. Thank you. What is that?
That is the vegetable juice.
Okay, wait. I-try ko, ha? they're letting me try their product. And I will show you guys how it tastes.
Praise naman dito, madam, para vegetable juice siya. Yan siya. That is the vegetable juice.
Wow.
It's good.
It's very good, very refreshing, and it tastes like you're drinking all the taste of vegetables and fruits. Really, very refreshing. Nice, I love it. No thanks, no thanks. No thanks, no thanks. No thanks.
You can have all the flyers, madam, so you can read it.
Yeah.
And eventually, we are here until Sunday. So if you would like to try the products, it's very, very good for you.
Oh, nice.
Yes, madam.
Meron na pala tayong products na ganito.
Yes, madam.
Ba't tayo bibili pa ng may mga chemical, no?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Diba?
This is all natural and all plant-based.
Yeah. Lagi na lang nalalaglag lahat ng bitbit ko. Tingnan mo yan.
Kasi madami.
Wow.
Ma'am, this
Grabe.
is the card. She's paying,
Grabe.
madam.
I collected all the... Jan, can you please take this? Handle it. Oh. Yan. At ilagay ko lahat yan sa ano ko, sa video ko. Okay. Ang gaganda ng mga... Ha?
You can check your
Okay,
vlog. You
okay.
can follow your vlog.
Okay. Si Ma'am Ining iyangan, ha? Anong pangalan?
Business Innovation Gateway.
Big. So, Business Innovation Gateway. This will become big and bigger. Yeah.
Amen.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you write your name
Okay.
and your vlog?
Okay. Wow. Agusan del Sur. Makialam ako dito. This is the mangosteen, the guyabano, the lomboy. Yan. Uy, ang daming product na natural. Wow. Where's my son? Okay. How are you? Ay, eto na. Kakain na daw kami. So, break time. Ito naman, novelino naman to. Oh, yan. At dito naman ay cosmetic naman. Yung suki ko, nandyan pa rin. At dito naman, may project cacao cluster. Wow, cacao. All about cacao. Yeah. You want to try? Cacao?
There's something different.
Cacao.
Roasted cacao beans here, 75% dark chocolate.
You taste it. Taste.
This is sweetened with muscovado sugar naman.
With muscovado sugar.
Other ways to use cacao beans other than maybe tableya
Yeah.
and make it chocolate. So we have different snacks. So sweetened with muscovado, covered with dark chocolate. This is granolas na sinamahan naman ng cacao. Try it.
Okay. Meron din sila nga ito, sinamahan ng ano?
Rolled oats yan na may kasama green mango and
Oats,
roasted
oats.
cacao. Very nice.
Try ko guys, try ko yung kanilang product dito sa We Project Cacao Cluster. Top no? You can taste the natural taste of cacao and then it's crunchy. Sarap. Natural siya talaga. Meron sila 70% dark. Ang dami. Cacao City.
Cacao City is a co-op of all cacao growers and cacao shops.
Good. Very good that they explain without my explanation. They are the ones to explain their product and it's very good. And this one is the Subida. Subida are handicrafts products. They have native products here. Adventure more. Girl power. Ay, stay wild. Ay, stay wild at heart. Rice. Ano yan? Rice and brine. And then what is? Coffee inside. Ang gaganda. What is Subida? Subida is from Negros Oriental again. Wow, ang daming Negros Oriental dito ha. How many shops I've filmed already? Negros Oriental again. Wow, nice. Very nice naman mo, oy, mga Negros Oriental. Nice mo kayo product. Oy, grabe na. Maunig akong gi-film last year. Yeah. Mauni, Arts and Heritage, Negros Oriental. And then, so, kain na muna kami. Break time, kain muna kami, and then I will continue later because we are hungry and my son is very hungry. So we are now going to eat. What will you eat? What do you wanna eat? Daming tao, ha? Busy, oh. See that? Daming tao. Grabe. What?
Try nga? Na-try nga na eh. Ano yung max bro?
Hindi pa.
Try na natin?
Try natin.
Hindi pa na-try na.
Okay.
Fried chicken na ganyan.
So this time, this point in time, we are going to eat for the first time in Max. Max, the house that fried chicken built here in Tagbilaran City. Wow! So nice! Yan ang kakao.
Video niya kung ano ba yung...
That is the cacao and they have the menu. What is that menu? Shakoy, Ikus, Tableya, wala eh, Chocolateria sa Bohol. Ayan, they have all here. Nice. Babalik ako mamaya. May suman sila. Ay, unsa man ni? Nakakita lang suman, nag-backward. They have a lot of products. My God. Na-invite ko ani oh. Oh, nice. Suman sa ibos? Oh, yeah. And bodbod?
Moron.
Suman?
Moron, ma'am.
Moron?
Yeah.
What is moron?
Panasal. Malagkit.
Malagkit din?
I-grind.
Ah, okay.
With choco.
With choco. Oo, alam ko na. Nice. And then tableya brownie, Chef M. Chef M. Ah, ka Chef M din eh.
Hello, sir.
Galing.
What's what, sir?
Ang galing. Sa ilab din eh. Oh, nice. Wow. Okay. Nice. Ha? Akala ko dito. Maghintay pa? Bakit?
Hintay ng upuan. FC lang tayo.
Maraming tao. Ay, sayang. Lagi na lang ganyan. Pag pupunta tayo dyan, walang chance. No?
Hintay kasi ng upuan man. Ano bang upuan dito?
Dito ang napuntahan namin kasi yung Max ay super puno. My God, naman talaga. Super puno. Kaya ito dito mas mabuti dahil pipila ka lang, may upuan anytime.
Ito ka na.
Diyos ko, wala naman palang escalator dito. So, doon tayo sa kabila, guys. Ay, ito na lang. No escalator, wow. Nagtipid ang ICM. What is that? Ang daming tao. Dami talagang tao dito sa Manginasal, always. Tingnan nyo ang mga pwesto, oh. Dami. Tapos pwesto pa dito sa kabila, oh. Dami, oh. Puno, oh. Maraming pwesto ng mga nag-display dito sa Trade Expo. Here in Island City Mall, here in Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines. Yan, lemongrass. Ayan. Isadahan ko lang konti, guys. At magkaroon kayo ng hint kung anong mga display. And today is very busy. A lot of people talaga. Grabe lagi. Paikot tayo guys. Para makita nyo yung mga display dito. Yan. Paganyan tayo ha. Ayan ang bahala tumingin kung ano mga display. At kung ano yung mga kikita nyo dyan. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng art shop. And Elda Handicraft. Pamela Palawan. Pearl. Souvenir. Ayan o, Palawan. At ito, DTI Cebu. Ang daming products nila guys. Grabe. Ang gaganda. Diba? At marami rin kumakain dito. Meron na rin ditong Sulin, yung Korean restaurant here in Tagbilaran City at may Paragao. Dito tayo sa painitang Boholano. Ayan. Daming mga earrings, accessories. These are from Cebu. Made from seashells. Ang gaganda, diba? Wow, ganda nito. Dream, love. Nice. Ang cute naman. Cutie. Cutie, cutie. Nice. Ayan, pinatsadahan ko na guys kasi kung isa-isahin ko sa dami, mahirapan ako, kaya yan. Tingnan nyo na lang kung ano yung gusto nyong tignan. Ayan. Ayan, dami. Nice earrings. Wow. Wow, nice. This is from Bohol. Our own Bohol product. Ay! Ano ba yun? Nabangga ako. Ang gaganda. Wow. Nice ha. This is Davao City. Ang gaganda ng bags, oh. Ang cute. Tingnan mo yan. Ang cute. Ang cute, oh. Nice. Ayan, dami. Oh my God. I don't know what to buy. Grabe. Bumalik na tayo dito. So, ayan, ang mga display guys. Dami, di ba? So, na-share ko na naman. Ayan. Mga dumpling, mga kung ano-ano, mga earrings, dami. Grabe, dami. Mabubusog ka sa display. Daming display. Super dami. My God. Doon, marami pa. Puro handicrafts din. At, nako, ewan. Ano bang sasabihin ko? Antiquera Tourist Information and Display Center. Wow. Nice. Nice. So, I think it's enough. Balik na ako doon at kami ay kakain na. Uwi daw kami eh. At nag-take out yung mag-ama ng makakain namin from KFC. Doon sila bumili ng pagkain namin ng lunch. Kaya eto, pasadahan lang natin konti. Ang gaganda kasi ng displays guys. Gusto ko i-share sa inyo kasi super cute ng mga products, handicrafts, mga home decors, mga pagkain na processed, mga mainom, mga wines. Grabe na, ang gagaling ng mga innovative masyado ang mga kalahi natin. I'm proud to be Filipino na talagang great innovator ang mga Filipinos talaga. I'm so proud talagang ng napakagaganda ng mga displays. Wala kang itulak kabigin talaga, ang gaganda. At dito na-strike ang mata ko sa mga original designs ng adornos, 72 home decors. Grabe na, ang ganda. See that? I love that. Those are fish. Grabe.
Let's go na.
Okay, let's go. So, bye-bye guys. I'm done. Okay, naipakita ko na lahat itong mga display ng Trade Expo 2019 of Island City Mall here in TAGBILARAN City, Bohol. So, magpapaalam na ako at kami uuwi na. At mahaba-haba na itong video ko. Ayan, dito tayo kanina nagmula. Dito yung entrance na may mga kakao, nandyan si Vice, nandyan mainom. So, let's go. At nauna na yung mga anak ko. Nandun na. So, bye-bye for now. Dito tayo galing kanina. So, ayun. Magpapaalam na ako. So, anong sasabihin ko? Magpaalam na ako at see you again next time. Hope that you enjoy the video, please smash that like button and the subscribe and also the bell button para tayo magkita-kita muli at kayo ma-update every time na ako ay mag-upload ng bagong video, and I will see to it na ma-enjoy nyo guys. Pasensya na kayo kasi minsan busy ako, maraming ginagawa. Minsan alam nyo ang trabaho, busy, alam nyo naman naning kakay ang nanay. So let's go guys, bye bye, love you guys. At nandito na kami ay uuwi na at ako ay parang makulimlim oh. Nakita nyo yung clouds, very makapal, so it is better for us to go home at bakit kami ay abutan na ng ulan. Okay, bye bye, see you again next time guys. I love you guys, bye. You read, the Lord stood by me and strengthened me. That is for us. Yeah. Ang ganda, di ba? Ingay Michon, Chubby, Michon. Ito, ay hindi ko alam kung magkano ang kilo nitong mangosteen. I don't know how much is the price for the mangosteen kasi ang asawa kong bumili yan. Ito akong bumili nito. Ang dami guys, binili ko. Ayan, more than 2 kilos. Ang dami. Kasi panahon niya ngayon, kaya bumili ako ng marami. At ang mura niya, 50 pesos ang per kilo. Yes. At ang gaganda ng tomatoes. At ng patola ko. Ang ganda ng nabili ko. Ayan, ang ganda. Wow. At pinya ay mura ngayon. Kaya ang dami. Nandun pang yung iba. Tapos, saging, 35 ang kilo. At marami ring itlog na binili. At ito'y kumakain na ng kanyang rambutan. How is it? Okay ba?
Yes.
At ito naman ay kakain na sa kanyang Max Chicken.
Max.
Take out Max Chicken. Kasi doon kami nag-dinner ngayon. Ayan. Ngayon ang sitwasyon ngayong gabi ito. Kaya maingay ang mga pets. Ay nagugutom na. Nadatnan namin nagutom na. Kaya yun lang. Good night.